Hello and welcome to the channel. So today I have another product from Hansshow that I have here, and this is a door sill. So down here you have, this is a launch series Model Y, and so down here you have this door sill here that's got a launch series inscription on it. Well, this product from Hansshow elevates this door sill. Right now, this is just plain text, does not light up or anything. What I have from Hansshow here is the option that lights up. So basically, this is the same door sill, but what this would do is this will light up and actually, again, elevate this door sill. For the rear doors, you don't have any door sill in there, but this one from Hansshow also comes with an option for the rear doors. So you can have all doors now say launch. I don't know if they have one ready yet for just non-launch series, but this specifically is a launch series. And so again, with this being a launch series vehicle, it's going to be a one-to-one match. So today I'm going to just show you how you can install this and have that be here. Again, it just elevates the look of the car to where you have a lighted door sill. So on that note, let's jump into it and install. So first, let's talk about what you have in here. Like I mentioned, you do have the seals for both sides. So just pull this out here. So you've got for both driver and passenger side, the front, and then you've got two smaller ones for the rear. And I'll talk about that some more. You've got an instruction manual in here that we'll talk about in a little bit here. And then you've got some pieces here. There are some magnet pieces in here and stuff, because what basically happens is this here will have a magnet piece on it, and there'll be another magnet piece that will be on the door. And so what happens is when you close the door and those magnets are in contact with each other or in proximity, the light goes off. When you open the door and those magnets separate, it activates the light in this door sill and it comes on. So you don't have this running 24/7. It's only going to run when the doors are open. This also comes with two CR 2430 batteries already pre-installed. So in the front, you've got two in here. I think for the small one, you also have two. And this should last a pretty long time. So, and then you've got your two tape options that will help you glue it down to the door sill. So again, it's battery powered, magnet switches, and we'll walk through what you need to do and go from there. All right, so here I'm testing to make sure that the lights do come on, and I've tested three of them already. I have this fourth one to test, and I will say, well, you get another kit that's got a spare kit in there, magnet, and the way it's supposed to work is right up to the edge of this, you should have the magnetic points where the magnets should touch and come on. So when the magnet touches, it should be off. When the magnets come off, it should come on. And I will say, like, testing this, it took a little bit of time to get this to connect the first time. And so, but there we go. But you can see that's lit now. There we go. So you put it on, and then same thing, but I was able to confirm that all four of them were coming on. But anyway, we're gonna install anyway, and then just, make sure we get everything correct the way it needs to be. The film's supposed to stay on until you're done installing, but once you peel it, it's kind of hard for it to stick back on. So we're gonna get to installing. The beauty of this one here is you don't have to take this off. You can simply mount this over that and you'll be good to go, because that can be a pain to take off. And also, it's good that if you choose to no longer have this, you just simply pop off this part and that's it. And it only attaches in 2 points, here and here. So it's not like a big old full-on glue that you have sticking on here. So before I do that, I gotta clean this surface. Okay, I've got everything that I need now. So first thing I'm gonna do, I've got a bit of a just alcohol water solution, just wiping that surface, prepping it, keeping it clean because it's gonna get covered. Like I said, this will go on here. You wanna watch out, you wanna keep this, watch out for this magnet that's in here. You also will need, let me tell you what else you're gonna need. You will need, it's basically, you're gonna have this little black small circle. You're gonna have a separate set of 4 circle rings. And basically what happens is you put this on, you figure out, you take the sensor off, put it down here, figure out where it goes. Then the outer ring will sit on here. You keep the inner ring, outer ring goes on here, you close the door, the outer ring will stick to the door. That will tell you where you need to mount the sensor. And then you put this inner ring, and the outer ring and the inner ring sits on the door. Then this sits on there because there's some bit of a gap between the door and this. So this gives you some edge or enough, a bit of a push to get it close to the sensor. And honestly, that's it. And once you're done, you put this again, the sensor on this, and then you put this clear, there's a clear film here, you put that over this so that way if you're doing anything, you don't mistakenly wash off that magnet. You do have extra magnets in case you do wash it off and you lose it. So, but that's it. First things first, I'm gonna peel off the magnet. And I'm trying to, it's held in by tape. I don't want to peel off the film itself. So that's the magnet, right? I'm not trashing it for now. What I want to do is, I can probably just want to figure out where it goes. Somewhere around here is where it's supposed to be. When I get it, it should light up. Oh, okay. So maybe this is on this side now. Okay. So this is on this side. On the driver's side, it was on the H side. Over here, it's on this side. So you can see, I don't know if it's visible enough. Let's see. But you can see it going off and on. So I'm just gonna placeholder. It's like a little bit of a room in there, just trying to find a middle spot in there. That's my placeholder. Keep that there. So it's off. I'm gonna take this, flip it over. I'm gonna peel these 2 adhesive spots. Okay, so with that peeled off, I'm gonna take the adhesion promoter. I just wipe this spot itself with the promoter. All right, we'll try again. So now that we have that, again, I've got my magnet here on this side. What we're gonna do now, I'm gonna take this piece. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna take this. So again, it comes with the inner ring, not in there, but I'm using the spare one that's got the inner ring in it. And what you wanna do though is the glue side, I've pulled it off the back end, the glue side up, right? So you're not putting the glue side down. The glue side is gonna stick to the car. So I'm gonna put the glue side on top of that magnet, right? Because again, that's held in place. I'm gonna put that down just like that. It's gonna wanna stick to your fingers. Just make sure you have it on the magnet. If you do it without the inner circle, it will be good because you can see the magnet and make sure you're right on top of it. So with that, I'm gonna back up, then I'm gonna close the door and just door's closed, open it back up. And then if you look now, it's gone. And if you look under here instead, and then now you see it under there. So with it under the car now, I'm just gonna press down, make sure it's stick on good. It looks like it's in the right spot. And then what you're gonna do then is take this magnet from here. I'm gonna take the magnet now and peel this. There we go. You can see that light up. Take the magnet. I'm gonna take it off of this tape now. The tape itself is done. In the back of the magnet, you have another glue piece in there. I'm gonna peel that cover off. Okay. And then I'm gonna stick that piece into the inner circle that we have there. So right in the middle of that, I'm going to stick that. Okay. And then what I want to do now is some quick tests. So right now, if you look at this, the light is off. I'm going to close the door and then open it and see, does the light come on? Yes, it does. So we're in a good spot. Now, once that's done, you want to take this here. Again, there's some clear tapes on it. And then I'm going to use that to basically cover up the surface of this circle so that you don't have this falling out. And when you press it, it's going to overhang. I'm just going to press down and have it wrap around that foam thing. And so on that note, I can take this off and we're done. All right, I'm all done and I've turned off my honeycomb lights. I've just got the regular garage lights on now. I'm gonna show you what it looks like when I open the doors and you see the illuminated door sills. So there we go. That's what it looks like. That's lit up there. It says launch. You see the launch puddle light also in the rear. I open the door. You also see that launch sill. So from both of them, that's driver's side. I'm gonna walk around to the rear passenger, open the door. You can see the launch is also lit up over there. And then same for the front. You also have the launch light now. They don't stay on for too long. That's probably good also to just to help conserve conserve the battery. And so, but you've gone from basically plain door sill to now having illuminated door sill. And again, the magnet that's under here, it's kind of hard to see. That's what controls that switch going off and on. If you want to get yours, Hansshow.com is where to go. I'm going to have some links in the description. These links will get you to the product. It will also get you discount codes that you can use to get yours at a discount. So again, they stay on for about 30 seconds to a minute, but again, that's enough to improve the looks of your car from going to nothing to something. And especially if you have that launch puddle, now you have everything matching. So Hansshow.com for yours, and let me know how your install goes. And thanks for being here. We'll see you next time.